Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by doing this video. So let's get started. I am coming to you today, guys, to share another grocery haul. Today I went to Aldi, so I got a few items, so I thought I would share it real quick with you guys. The first item that I got was this butter cookie. It's made with dark chocolate. I got 2 boxes of these. I believe these were 99 cents. I wanted to try this. I like the Carlini oils, so they had it in a spray, a cooking spray. So I wanted to try the balsamic vinegar. It looks really good, so wanted to try that. I got a box of 100 calorie almond and walnut bars. I think they're bars. This is the first time buying this, so I'm excited to try that. It's made by Sudden Grove. Then I got my lifesavers. I like to keep this in my bag for church. That is the peppermint flavor, and then I got the hard candy for upstairs. I got 2 boxes of the Fit and Active 100 pack snack of cookies. This one I believe is chocolate chips, and then the other one is just regular chocolate. Okay. Then I got some spices from Stone Mill. I got the grounded allspice. Grounded nutmeg and ginger. Again, these will be going upstairs in my at my coffee station. Then I got some Simple Nature organic cinnamon. I wish they had the organic and the others, but they didn't have it, but that's okay. Then I got some of the Benton's breakfast snacks. This one is blueberry biscuit, and this one is crispy oats. I like this with coffee. Then I got 2 boxes of the On-the-Go trail mix. This one has, let's see what it has. It has chocolate, peanuts, raisins, sunflower, and I don't know what the other word is. I'm not wearing my glasses. Genoa. So I got 1 box of that, and then the other one has peanut, cranberries, and almond. Okay, as always, my cucumbers, I'm getting ready to wash them. I got some English muffins. I got a pack of the Village Bakery muffins. This one is blueberry, and the other one's chocolate chip. Then I got the Never Any chicken sausages. I saw, what is her name? Living with Elle. Hold on, guys. I apologize, guys. I had someone come to the door. I had to get the door. All right. So as I was saying, her name is Elle, Easy Living with Elle, I believe is the name of her channel. Well, she raved about these sausages. So when I saw them, I said I will pick them up and try them. So I got 4 packs. Okay, I got 4 of those. And then I wanted to try the Simply Nature organic uncured beef hot dogs. So I got 6 of those. Okay, and as always, I got my Pure Aqua. I got it in the grapefruit as well as the lime. Well guys, this concludes the end of my haul. Again, as always, it is a pleasure for me to serve you guys by doing this video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Again, thank you guys so very much for watching. Y'all be blessed, have an awesome day, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye guys.